In today's video, I'll teach you how to find Kalshi referral code. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is simply search for the website or platform that provides you the referral code for Kalshi. In order to do that, click on the search bar and type in Kalshi referral code. Press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see the search results over here. You'll be able to see various referral code provided by various websites over here. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find more options. So what you have to do is simply click on the platform from where you would like to use the referral code for Kalshi. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to that particular platform. For me, I've selected sports handle. Now over here you'll be able to see the promo code. What you have to do is simply click on the copy icon in order to copy it. Now you'll be able to use this promo code in Kalshi. Likewise, you can also click on this option, go to Kalshi and go directly to Kalshi in order to use this promo code. So like this, you'll be able to find the referral code that you can use while signing up for your Kalshi account in order to unlock your bonus. So that is how you find referral code for Kalshi. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.